Around 200 years ago, the railway age started to reshape Wales. Well, this is the Bala Railway. I've checked my watch and it still says 2022, and another railway age is about to happen. The Bala Railway is hoping to end up in, Bala. Julian, here we are right now. This is the end of the line so far for the Bala Railway. Not exactly King's Cross.
No, we've terminated here for the last 45 years. It's always been a dream of the railway to be able to get into the town.
And you can almost see it from here.
The thing about it is we're going to be building a new railway here. It's not reinstating an old one.
You could walk the last 1,000 yards or so in less than 20 minutes, but it's been a dream to stretch those tracks towards town for the past 40 years. I suppose you can see it as the most expensive single journey you'll ever make to Bala, but you do get to keep a railway at the end of it.
That's a very good way of putting it. Not only is it expensive, but it's complicated.
You can almost hear the diggers starting, can't you?
Ah, can't wait. The easy bit is going to be building it. The railway will come over the road there, stick tight to the parapet here.
This medieval bridge is going to become a railway bridge, you hope?
It is indeed.
I love it. I love it. Lead on, McJulian. How much is this going to cost?
Including building the station building, wait for it, it's going to cost a mouth-watering 5.6 million.
That's quite a single ticket.
If we cross over the road here, what we want to do is to move this parapet about a metre out onto those cutwaters there. Road, rail and pedestrians can exist side by side without conflict.
When the Victorians were building this lot in the first place, it was quite easy. You just sort of bought the land and said, right, we're going to build a railway. Now, there's an awful lot of hoops to jump through, presumably.
There are massive amounts of hoops to jump through. The easy bit is actually building it.
How long is it likely to take?
The actual building of it, when everything is in place, is about 6-8 months.
There are a whole load of other non-engineering obstacles to overcome, like planning permission and money. If you find £6 million down the back of your sofa, they'd love to hear from you. And, of course, this is one of the views of North Wales over here as well. So do you get the engine driver to slow down a bit for this?
Absolutely. This is the unique selling point of the whole journey now. And this is going to be the site of the new station.
Journey's end! And the Bala Railway finally ends up in Bala.
Absolutely, in Bala, just off the high street. It couldn't be more central.
You know, when you stand here right now, do you see a sort of field of birds singing, or do you see what's going to end up here? Do you see the railway finished even though it hasn't even started
Oh,
yet?
I walk around here an awful lot, and I imagine, right, the track's going to come in there, the visitors will come through there, the trains will arrive at this point, and one thing or another. No, my imagination works overtime.
Julian, I think you've discovered the world's ultimate train set, an actual train.
And it's here for everyone to enjoy.